To the learning path of full stack development by Board Infinity. So we have around 100 plus hours of teaching at the full stack development career path, and you have a two-way communication with mentors as well as a discussion forum where you can get your doubts solved. So you have basically a very structured format where you start from bare essentials and gradually move forward to advanced topics. And even if you are from non-coding background, there is not much of an entry barrier, or I can say you are feeling left out while learning all these things. So that's a huge plus. Having such certification based courses improves your chances or pace of learning a lot, because you have strict deadlines or strict format in which you learn initially, and then you get a lot of freedom to explore and learn various technologies as you move forward. Because what happens is, many of the students start full stack development with full enthusiasm. They pick up, let's say, 5% of the technologies, and then the enthusiasm wanes away. Having a certification based course like one from Board Infinity would actually keep you on track in learning all these technologies. Like when you have a weekend session and you are learning from a mentor, you know that you are essentially having sound knowledge of all those technologies in a guided manner. Then we have assignment section where you have a opportunity to work on live projects, so that's a huge plus. Then at the end of the course you get a certification and placement assistance. So even if you have means the all your money and efforts that you put through all these months actually is fruitful for getting a job in the industry. Because essentially why you are learning full stack development is because you need to get a job or a better career opportunity. And having such kind of courses or doing such kind of courses can improve the chances of these things a lot. In the case of having mentor for full stack development, what I can say is, since full stack development consists of a lot of parts or gears which work together while development of a product, a coach or a mentor can actually guide you through the entire cycle, help you understand various parts of the front end, back end, and DB layer, and how to learn them and how to actually gain expertise in them. Secondly, even if you are a working professional, a mentor or a coach will actually help you in gaining better positions faster. There was a recent survey by Sun Microsystems which said that having a mentor in the industry increases your chances of getting promoted to up to 5 times better. So that is the importance of having a mentor in the industry. If you have good mentors or coaches who can guide you, again challenge you to learn new things and give you various tasks to learn better and learn in a fun or engaging way, then that is a good thing to have. Make sure that your choice of mentor is good, one who has a sound knowledge in things, one who has good communication skills. Why I'm saying is because there are people who have knowledge, but it might not be a case that a mentor might be able to share that knowledge with you in an effective manner. So have a good coach who has a good domain knowledge as well as good communication skills, and who can actually guide you and has experience in the industry, and in that way you can learn a faster a lot. There are a lot of websites where you can actually gain a mentor or apply for mentorship. There are a lot of programs available online. Even if you come across someone on LinkedIn, or even within your company, if you know that yeah, this person can actually help me in my journey in becoming better in my domain, feel free to ask them, feel free to ask a lot of doubts, get them clear, have curiosity to learn. Because what happens is a coach is not only helping you to learn, but he is also learning from you, because he gets to learn various things while he is teaching you. So that's the, I can say, basic importance of having a mentor.